Representative Donna Oberlander.
Thank you, Chairman. Good morning, Secretaries. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. As you're well aware, Act 122 was signed into law by Governor Tom Corbett in December 2013, coming from legislation to help level the playing field for Pennsylvania businesses, whereas labs from outside of our state were engaging in prohibited practices that our own companies were not able to do. As I said, the legislation was signed into law in 2013. My question to you, Secretary Wolf, is can you give us an update on whether or not the department has issued any advisories, taken any enforcement action? Where are we in the implementation of Act 122?
So we have not put anything in writing yet. We are in the process of working with various stakeholders that are involved in this. We recognize and appreciate that the legislature passed Act 122. It was a question for us of making sure that there was an equitable treatment of the question around in-state versus out-of-state labs. That has been fixed. At the same point in time, there are, as always, whenever you pass something into law, there's the potential for unintended consequences, and we are working through that process right now to make sure that whatever we put forward in the very near future will be, everyone will understand what is coming forward, and we're making sure that it is, we're both following the letter of the law, but we're also not catching anyone by surprise as to what it is we're going to be doing. And sure, I'll be happy to expand for a quick second.
Please.
Sorry, I just kind of figured that's what you were going to ask me. It's a question around about other potentially impacted, whether it be hospitals, physicians' offices, specific specialties that could be potentially impacted, nursing homes, et cetera. So those are some of the people that we're currently working with.
Thank you. Can you give me a better timeline of when we can expect something to happen so that our own businesses can see some increase?
I don't think I can give you a specific timeline today, but what we'll do is we'll stay in touch with your office to make sure that when we are able to put materials forward, and we're trying to do so in as expeditious a manner as possible. This is one of the challenges when the piece of legislation includes there was not a lot of window for us to work through the process. It was effective immediately law. So sometimes there are challenges that are involved with the passage of those, and we're going through those right now, and we'll try to do this as quickly as possible.
Thank you, Secretary. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.